Hi everyone, just a quick video to go over how to upload things to YouTube to then post back into our class page onto RISD CE Link. So what you want to do is go to our buddy YouTube here. Make sure that you are logged in under your email account. That's the only way that this section of YouTube will work for you. What you want to do next is navigate to this video camera icon, and it says create a video or a post. So that's what we want to do. We want to create and upload a video of the homework or the beginning of the homework that I assigned to you, which is observational videos in your community. So go ahead and create a video. And then you're going to say upload video. Once you do that, it's going to take you to a section of YouTube called YouTube Studio, and you'll want to select files from this point, navigate to your individual file, and select open. YouTube will take your file, and then here on the details page, you're going to be able to title it. Now, what I would like you to do for your title is to name it with your first name underscore last name underscore the name of the video, okay? So if that were me, I would do Carissa underscore Abitabalo underscore video 1. This way, if we organize it in this fashion, we'll be able to get familiar with each other's names, and also it just keeps everything nice and succinct. So at that point, you're going to want to click next here. And actually it's giving me a prompt. I didn't answer this question, and I'm going to say no, it's not made for kids. So next. We're going to skip through video elements at this point. And then that's going to take us to the finalizing piece of this process, which is called visibility. This is an important bit. You want to make sure that you select unlisted here, because you don't want anyone else except the people that have the link to be able to view this content. So make sure you select that, hit unlisted, and then click save. Once you do that, YouTube will generate a version of your video, and then it will redirect back to the video, and you'll be able to copy it and paste it into our class's site. But I will also be posting a quick video on that process next. Okay, take care. Bye.